dito. Ate Lumong, dito sa likod, dito. Yes. Okay. Okay, ayan, yes! Also, abangan niyo po.
Alright. Bakit may isa?
Shaina Magdayao! Friday night and the nights are low. Hello sa inyo! For a place to go. Where they play the rock music, getting in the swing, you come to hello sa inyo lahat dyan sa likod. Anybody can be that guy. Night is young and the music's high. When they play the rock music, everything is fine. You're in the mood for a dance. Are you in the mood to dance? And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Music please, dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance. Are you ready to dance? Having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Are you ready to see me dance? Gusto niyo po bang sumayaw kami? Come on! Come on, VIT! You're a teaser, you turn them on. Pwede po bang pumunta dyan mamaya? Leave them burning and then you're gone. Looking out for another, anyone will do. You're in the mood for a dance. When you get the chance, you are the louder, young and only. Ayun, nasa na mga dancing queen ko dyan? Dancing queen, feel the beat. Asa na po kayo? Louder! Having your life. See that girl, watch that scene, dig it. Alright. Digging the dancing queen. Come on, PIC. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, PIT. Palakpakan naman po natin ang aking mga dancers. At syempre po kayo, magandang gabi, Vaughan. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? I should rephrase that. Ready po ba kayong mag-enjoy with me? You know, it is my first time po here. Hello? Hello po sa mga tao dyan sa likuran. At dito naman po sa aking kaliwa. Pati po yung nandoon sa likuran. Sana makalapit ako sa inyo mamaya. Okay lang po ba yun? Ayun ang ating mga kababayan. So if I go down, where do I pass? So okay lang po ba na bababa po ako? Alam niyo bali umakyat na lang po ako para lahat po kayo makita ako. We'll get by with the what? With a smile. You can't win on everything, but you can try. Maybe you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to worry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. But we're closing all their doors, and they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Alam na mga tao doon. Hey, I'll say through the black time, even if I have to fetch you every day. Get by with a smile. I can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody makes a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down or turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Can I hear you sing? Let me hear you sing it. Dito sa kanan. Magpapatalo ba yung nandito sa kaliwa? In a world where everybody lives a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a what? With a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears goodbye. All together now. mapupuntahan at malalapitan dyan sa likuran. Ano po? I love you! I love you too! Di bale, hindi ko man po kayo malalapitan. Meron pong mga mag-pre-select dahil maraming volunteers dito. Hindi ba? Meron hong 3. Pero syempre bago yon, pwede hubang sayawan ko ho muna kayo? Yes! Kasama ang aking PIT dance crew? Yes! I can't hear you! Kasama ang aking PIT dance crew! Alright! Magaling sila. pasensya na po, pero magpa-picture na lang po tayo. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay.
Miss Shaina, dala-dala ko na po ang alay natin para sa gabing ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na ang mga nagagwapuhan. Ayan.
Palakpakan naman po natin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ayan.
Okay.
Hindi lang sila mga gwapo, malulusog din. Oo. Dito sa Canada.
Paano mukhang masarap ang pagkain dito sa
Oo,
Canada? Hindi
super,
ba?
yes.
Yun. Okay. I-interviewin po muna natin ang ating mga nagagwapuhang kuya. Grabe yung tawa ni nanay, oh. Okay, ang ating kuya gwapo number 1.